everyone, you are welcome back to CA Concept. Here in this channel I create content around fashion, and if you're new here, I say you are most welcome. To my returning subscribers, I love you all. Today I shall be showing you how to make a perfect flutter sleeve, and if you are the type you'll be finding it difficult to go around it, I tell you this video is meant for you. Kindly sit back and watch to the end. Thank you. The measurements needed are armhole circumference. Mine for this tutorial is 20 inches. Then I place it on 6.28, which is the formula for full circle, and I divided it. My answer is a 3.18. Then I approximate this 8 to be 2. Then I have a 3.2. Then the length of my sleeve is 10 inches. I went ahead and added it with to the 3.2 for the radius, making a 13.2. So the total number of my sleeve now, including the radius, is now 13.2. Next thing now is to go ahead and place our fabric on fold. This is it. Fold it like this into 4 equal parts. So after folding it, you have 4 pieces. From this opening part, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now go ahead and place the measurements. But before that, you might be wondering, how do I get my armhole circumference? It's very simple. Okay, my advice, okay, as an experienced person, I will advise you, before you cut your sleeve, make sure your bodice is ready to be attached to the sleeve. Okay, like what I have here now, this is my bodice. I've joined it shoulder to shoulder and the side seam. Okay, so to get your armhole circumference now, you take the sleeve left from the underarm here. I left 1 inch down. Okay, so that I'll be able to attach it to the sleeve. Here I have 1 inch. Part, I'll go ahead and take it. You take your measurement, you take it round, until you get to where you started from. So my hair is 20 inches. So whatever you get, you place it on 6.28, which I did here. Okay, and my radius is 3.2. My length now is 10. Then I added both together. My answer is now 13.2. So from this folded edge here, from this point, I measured out 13.2. As you can see here, I measure it round. Then later that, I measure from this folded edge again, I measure out my radius, which is a 3.2. As you can see here now, and cut it out. But before cutting it, make sure you don't cut the radius. Okay, you leave the radius like this. Only cut the down parts. Okay, so after cutting this, I'm going to half circle like this. Okay, remember this is the radius. Now we will complete it. Let's complete it. Remember the radius was a 3.2. Yeah, so this is the center. Make sure you notch the center. 3.2. So this is the half circle now. So from this, from this part to this part is a 3.2. This is it. And from this part to this part is 3.2. So from this part, it's either you take it from this part or from this part, from any side. So from this part, we will take another 3.2. This part will be our new starting point. You take it like this. You take it round. Make sure it's on this point, 3.2. So this part now will be our new armhole, while this is the old armhole. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and cut it out. So this will be our new armhole. If you cut it this way, by the time you join it to your armhole, you discover the down part is longer than the upper part. Okay, so with this now you have a perfect flutter sleeve with this method. Okay, I'll go over it again. This is the original one. So from where the original one end, okay, you measure out the same radius we measure for this. Okay, then you take it round to form another circle. Okay, you can take it from this side and you can take it from this side. Okay, right. So I'll be cutting out the new one. This will be our new armhole now, while this will be the old one. So from this part, I will slit it open from the smaller part, not from the bigger part. Remember, I've notched it. So this will be our flutter sleeve now. So let's join it. Let's go ahead and join it to our bodice now. We attach it center to center like this. So this is it. In some cases, if you have excess, you can trim it off. Then if you don't want to trim it off, you can just split it around it. Okay, so it's optional. If you have excess, it's better you can just trim off the excess parts off. Okay, that is going to look now. Isn't that beautiful? So they are equal now, you can see. You take it half an inch, you sew it round. Haven't done that, you now take it like this, then join it 1 inch. Remember the 1 inch we left here, 1 inch, you stitch it. So I'll go ahead now and cut the other type of it. Okay, so for this method, we are going to fold it the same way we folded the first method. So like this. This length, I'll make it 6 because I only have a little fabric here. The radius for the first method is 3.2. Place it here. From this radius, I'll be taking 6. All the down parts. Then for this method, I'll cut the radius. Then I'll go ahead and slit one side open. So this will be our sleeve. So I will attach it to the bodice now, and let's see the difference. This is the center. Right side facing right side. Then I'll take it round. So after attaching it, this is how it's going to look. You take it to your sewing machine, you take it half an inch round and round. And when you are done, you flip it over like this. And you see that? So this is how it's going to look on both sides. Oh, you see what I mean? The down part, the underarm is longer than the upper part, the upper arm. Why you see this? Everything equal. So this is our flutter sleeve. Very simple to cut. If you follow this method, you are good to go. Measure out your armhole circumference. Whatever you have, you divide it by 6.28 or by 4. Then you cut it out. From where the radius ends, you take the new one. You form another one. Okay? So, I believe this video has been helpful. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Like it, share it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Press the subscribe button. It is free of charge. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye.